Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So I will do a put here because I'm sure that price will go down on the next level, yes, on the next candle, because this candle got a rejection from this support and resistance level, which I have explained in detail in my ebook. You see the change of polarity, support, breakthrough, resistance, yes, and that's the reason why I'm expecting down movement in this kind of major downtrend. Yes, that is nothing else than this. So, and if this candle will be finishing like an engulfing candle, I wait that price will trace above the closing price or near the closing price. No, not the closing price, near the opening price of the previous candle, and then I will enter into a trend continuation, yes, in the lower direction. So let's see what's happening. If this will be an engulfing candle, it should be an engulfing candle, which shows me selling momentum, yes, bearish momentum. So engulfing candle, not really an engulfing candle, but still a hammer. That is also good, but I need a better entry point. That means I wait now, yes, okay, that was okay, it was enough. So I'm expecting now that price will continue to going down because we got here nothing else than a pullback. That is a high probability trading setup, which I have explained in detail in my ebook. You have a downtrend, and then price got above this level here. Then it got a pullback. This hammer here is showing me that we get in a pullback, and now I'm expecting a bearish candle, and that's the reason why I entered into a put, because why else should price reverse from it? Yes, the major trend is down. We are trading in direction of the downtrend. So this candle will be a bearish one, and that's the reason why this will be in the money also if it will be maybe close in the money. Yes, let's see. Yes, there's some support level. I don't know. Okay, this candle is not convincing me. That means I'm waiting now because this looks like a retracement in an uptrend now. Yes, because we have here price action on the left. So, okay, I will do a call now. I'm sure that price will go up from this level, yes, because we have here price action on the left, and I'm expecting that price will try to push against the 200 EMA, and as soon as price retraced a little bit back, I try to get a better entry point. That's it. Yes, that are those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook over and over again, and also in live trading. Yes, examples of my of every kind of playlist. Yes, you can watch them, everyone, to see this kind of trades over and over again, because I'm doing till 12 months always the same thing over and over again. And you see here also really important, the entry point again, else it would have been out of the money. So that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.